conducting the online classes. Okay, so if you need any help from our side, means feel free to ask. Okay, and then before we start this session, okay, so let me introduce. I am Radha Armugam, data scientist from City Labs. Yes, Miss Bhuvaneshwari, can you please introduce yourself?
Sure, sure. Uh, Good morning, everyone. So, as ma'am said, I'm Bhuvneshwari. I'm a BI developer. So, today I'm going to take a session on Power BI. So, I hope this session will be very useful for everyone and for many of you. So, it will be a great starting point for everyone who attends the session to dive into the IT industry. So that is the main aim of this session. And today we will be exploring Power BI, which is a business intelligence tool for data visualization. So yeah, I think we can get started into the session.
Yes. Thank you so much, Miss Bhuvaneshwari. Yes. Okay, let's have a 5 minutes ice-breaking session. Okay. So we introduce ourselves. Okay. I want to you people. Okay. So can you please switch on everybody your camera? Yes. Yes. Turn on your camera, please. Yes, everybody, please turn on your camera. I know today is a Saturday weekend. We are looking how we are looking. Okay, but we need some class picture. So please, everybody, help us. Okay, can you please switch on your camera during the training session? If you feel uncomfortable, means you switch off. Okay, please, everybody, switch on your camera. Okay, no problem. If you have any difficulty for your camera, means no problem. Yes. Hi, Mr. Hail. Hamsi. Hi, Mr. Deeban.
Hi.
Yes. Yes. Hi, Mr. Joshri. Okay. Welcome. Welcome.
Hello.
Okay. Fine. Okay. 1 minute. Okay. Fine. Great. Sorry. Okay. Hi, Mr. Yep. June Han. Okay. Hi, Miss Hanisha. Who is my PC? Hi, Mr. My PC. Can you please rename? Okay. Hi, Mr. Shafiq. Hi, Mr. Abdullah. So, hi, everybody. Okay.
Hi.
So, please introduce yourself, just your name and then you are from which location. And then if you feel for sharing your job titles means, please welcome. Yes, volunteer, please. Anybody.
Hi. Morning, everyone. I am Hill. I'm currently residing in Puchong. I'm here today because I would like to actually learn Power BI.
Okay.
I've never used this software, so I hope today's training session is a good session.
Okay. Thank you so much. Yes.
Hi, good morning, everyone. I'm Josrine.
Good morning, Joshua.
Hi, hello,
Hi.
Miss. I
Fine.
work
Fine.
as a business analyst, so I
Okay.
want to know about the data analyst a little bit, so at least can add on my knowledge.
Okay.
Is related data analyst and business analyst. Thank you so much.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome. Yes. Is any volunteer? Hey guys, this is ice breaking session. I'm not asking any money from you, right? Just tell your name. That's it enough.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
So my name is Haridharan. I'm from Port Dickson. So
Okay.
this is first time for me to join this BI related training. So I'm eager to learn more. Thank you for doing this session on a weekend.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for attending weekend session as well. Yes, anybody?
Hello, I'm Sheena. I'm from JB.
Okay. Okay,
Currently,
Miss Sheena. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, any volunteer. Okay, first page. Okay, fine. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, let me check with the chat box. Without 1 minute. Okay, so just to answer my question. Okay, have you all installed Power BI on your computer? If you successfully install means, please type 1 on the chat box. If you're not, please type 2 on the chat box. Let us know your status. Okay, there is a 2 also available. Okay, mostly 1. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, please answer. Okay, fine, great. Okay, super. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. Those are already installed. Please give us for 5 minutes. I'll let settle for those are not installed. Okay. Yes, Miss Nabila, are you there? Miss Nabila, can you please share your screen? Miss Bhuvaneshwari will guide you for a installation. Miss Nabila.
Share the link to download the Power BI desktop version. So you all can use that link to download the app.
Akila, okay. Balkis, okay, fine. Okay. Yes. Those are not installed. Okay, can you please share your screen? So this is not a much difficulty software for installation. If you click the link, which already shared to Miss Bhuvaneshwari, no, the page will be open. So you go for a desktop download option. If we click means the exe file will be downloaded. Once downloaded the exe file, just you can go for installation. Just hit to next button only. That's it for installation. Yes, anybody having any difficulty? Okay, Miss Balkis, are you there? Can you please share your screen? Guys, please, this session will be interactable one. Okay, please, sir. Okay, Miss, okay, fine. This is for Pang. Okay, fine. Great, Mr. Pang. Okay, yes, everybody, if you select the particular link, no, the page will be diverted here. You can go for choose any one of the two. Okay, so just you select for first one. Okay, and then click download button. If we click download button, yes, see the exe file will be start for downloading. Once the downloaded is done, you can go for installation. Yes, everybody, those are not installed. Please install your system. Those are already installed. Please be patient. Just 5 minutes is enough to installation. Okay. So it will be take 457 MB. Okay, fine. Yes, open the file. Okay. Okay, in the meantime, okay, fine. Let me check with others. Okay, one more question. Have you all enrolled the Mastering Power BA course in the NTW portal? Okay, because some of our alumni students without enrolling, they join. If you went without joining and then enrolling means you couldn't be able to get the HRD Corporation, NTW HRD Corporation certificate. Okay. If you not enroll means please log into your NTW portal and then go for search for mastering BA tool and then go for enroll. Okay. Once done enrollment, that's it. Okay. So once we key in your attendance, you can able to generate your certificate. Okay. Later, I will guide you how you get the NTW certificate. Okay. Yes. Able to open, Mr. Pan? We couldn't able to see the screen. We able to see only your browser window. Can you please share your entire screen? Okay. Yes. Once you go for clicking that particular exe file, no, it start for install. See, these are the information. This is a Microsoft product. Okay, even the later I will tell you about that Microsoft certification and done. Okay, yes, click next button. These are the licensing. This window, this logo is a representation for Power BA. You read the people never read that agreement and done. Okay, so whether you agree or not, if you click the check button, then only the software will be installed. Okay, click next button. Okay, so this is a place. Okay, so here, if you want to change the location means you can able to change the location. Otherwise, go for next button. See, if you want to create shortcut key means click the shortcut key check button and then go for install. Two next button, one install button. That's it. See the Power BI desktop. So if you go for using a Power BI for your computer means this option is a Power BI desktop is a you can go for install. Even you can install Power BI for your mobile application. There is a mobile applications software. Okay. So it start for installation. Okay, once done, so it show the message to you that is a successfully installed. Once successfully installed, go for start for work on this. Okay, still loading. Okay, please wait. And then most of the students request for a class recording. Okay, at the moment I won't share any class recording. You listen the class first. If I tell I share means your concentration will be gone. Okay, please attention to attend the training. Okay, I think this training will be help you for introducing as well as opening for your next level career. Okay, once it will be done, okay, please wait. talk about this software is a very simple software. Okay. Compared to Excel and then Power BI, I'm not talking about Excel is best, Power BI is best. This software is especially for user friendly. So here you don't need to worry about the coding part and that. In the computer world, we focus for the programmer, they can focus for the, that is a programming language, computer programming, you know, but this software, especially for anybody, can easily to learn. Okay, so just 1 or 2 days is enough to learn for the basic. Okay, but if you go for a little advanced level means keep on practicing. How much you work on that big data, big data nothing but data is information. If you go for a large volume of information, that is a big data. So nowadays after social media, all the data will be bigger only. Okay, so the uh, starting bit byte and then megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, like that it will be goes for our data volumes. Okay, so this scenario data is large. How we are going to do analysis? I want analysis means extracting the information. Okay, I am having 1 million of data for employees. From 1 million, for example, I want to fetch only the employee, those are coming from Malaysia. So from 1 million of different countries employee, how I am going to extract it? This is a part of data analysis. Based on my situation, based on my, that is a problem, questions, I go for do the extraction from my data. This is analytical part. Data is the big data, large volume. From data, I go for do the analysis. Okay, why I go for do the analysis? In order to improve my business, especially this BA tool, especially used for the organization to improve for the betterment. Okay, once I know the strength and then weakness of my business, definitely I can grow for my business. Okay, so whatever I spend for ROI, you know, that is a return on investment. Okay, it will be growth. Okay, so coming, okay, Mr. Pang, have you installed? So for that only, when you after install, the system automatically asking about your organization. This is purely about, that is, if you have a corporate mail means, you can able to full-fledged work. Even you can using the normal Gmail account as well. Okay, so if we go for a work on the real-time data analysis dashboards and all, if you have corporate mail, it will be more effective. Okay, and then yes, Mr. Pang, having any question? Install ready? Couldn't see your screen. I think restarted. Okay, fine. Once installation done, okay, and then Miss Bhuvaneshwari will take over the session. Okay, yes, Miss Bhuvaneshwari, please take over the session. Okay, if you have any doubts or questions, means if you feel for unmute your mic and then talk means just write the your query and the chat box. Okay. Yes, everybody. Okay, fine. That's it. Yes, Miss Bhuvaneshwari, you will take over the session. Thank you, everybody.
So yeah, without any delay, we can get into the sessions. So now I will be giving a short introduction about Power BI and what and why Power BI is used. And after that, we will be doing a hands-on practice. We'll be creating a report using the data set I provide. So yeah. So is my screen visible? Okay. So yeah. So Power BI. So we all know Power BI is a Microsoft's product. Power BI is one of the powerful data visualization tool. It's a business intelligence tool. So it was first introduced on 2015 by the Microsoft, and ever since it evolved, it became the top one the BI tool in the business world to transform their raw data into meaningful insights and reports. So yeah, and it also allows the users to create a stunning report
Miss
and visual.
Bhuvaneshwari,
Yes, yes,
can you
ma'am.
please full screen mode, slideshow mode?
Yeah.
Okay, can you please change? Okay, thank you so much. Please carry on.
So Power BI is widely used in various industries for making data-driven decisions. Learning Power BI, it's a great opportunity for you all to get into the IT industry. And yeah, moving to the next slide. So the need for Power BI. So Power BI allows you to access the data and you can create dashboards and reports at one go with a few clicks. So just dragging and dropping of the charts, you can build a visual and you can create a report based on that. And this helps in gaining new customers and managing the existing one in the smoothest manner. So it helps the business people to take decisions. So this is the main aim of Power BI. And it is also an easy way to track current growth, and we can compare that to the previous growth based on the visuals we create. So we have various versions of Power BI. One is the desktop version, so where we installed it locally now. So that is the desktop version where we can locally load the data. So anyone has any question?
Okay.
Please proceed. Please proceed.
Miss Bhuvaneshwari, unmute your mic. I think so.
So am I audible now? Yeah. So using the Power BI desktop, you can load the data locally into a desktop version of the Power BI, and you can build reports using your desktop version in locally. And in Power BI Pro, it's a cloud version, and where you need to pay $10 per month to purchase the Pro license. It's a kind of license. Even you can create reports in the cloud also. And we also have Power BI trial versions where you can log into app.powerbi in the Google or Microsoft, any browser, and you can start using the Power BI. And then we have Power BI Premium. It is also a cloud version where we need to pay an amount for this. So Power BI, the difference between Power BI Pro and the Premium is some of the features. So Premium has more additional features than Pro, like RLS and subscription, some of the features. We can discuss that in the upcoming sessions. So Power BI Desktop. So Power BI Desktop is the basic version that comes as a desktop-based app. And if you need to sign into Power BI, you need an organizational account to sign in into Power BI. So with your personal email, Gmail or Yahoo account, you cannot sign in with Power BI. So that is one important thing. And you can store 10 GB of cloud storage in Power BI desktop version. And Power BI Pro, as I already said, it is a cloud version. So by using Power BI Pro, you can share your reports, dashboards with the another user, and you can collaborate, publish, share, And if you have any ad hoc request, you don't want to go to Power BI desktop and do the changes locally and then pushing that to cloud, we can go to the cloud directly and we can make the changes. And Power BI Premium, so this is also a cloud version. So this is used for the big data analytics, cloud and on-prem reporting. So advanced administration and deployment controls are there. So you can do create deployment pipelines there, which is kind of the CI/CD pipeline. So, and it also has dedicated cloud compute and storage resources. It allows the users to consume Power BI content, and you can store up to 100 TB of cloud storage. So why Power BI? So that we have lots of business intelligence tool in market like Tableau, lots of tools. But why specifically to Power BI? So Power BI, to get the real-time updates of your business anytime and from anywhere. So we have the Power BI desktop version, the cloud version, and we even have the mobile app where you can install the mobile app in your phones, and you can watch the reports or view the reports in your even in your mobile app. So it gives a real-time update to our business people, and it is very interactive in the sense one visual can talk to other visual. So when you click on one visual, the other visual will get interacted, and it gives a clear and intuitive data visualization and make informed decision with valuable insights. So Power BI helps you to create valuable insights so that the business people can get used of it. You can also view report across multiple platforms and devices. So if you build a Power BI report, you can even embed that with the web application or the whatever application you are creating. And we have multiple data sources to load the data into Power BI. That is one of the best option we have in Power BI. We have various data sources like Oracle, SQL Server, cloud data sources like Databricks, Snowflake, Synapse. So we have lots of data sources options. So let's see the difference between Power BI, the desktop app version of Power BI, and the web service. So which is the cloud version. So in desktop version, you cannot share a report. So you're building a report. If you want to share that to a colleague or friend, you cannot share that. Only you can download, you can save that as a PBIX file in your local desktop, and you can send it manually to your friend or colleague, anyone, but it won't be available in cloud. You cannot share that. And here in desktop, we will be writing queries, which is called DAX, data analysis expressions, to create calculated fields or aggregate aggregations. To bring some calculation, we'll be writing some queries in Power BI, and we can give we have lots of data sources availability in our desktop version. So as I said earlier, so we have the cloud and on-prem version. So you can import a JSON file, CSV file, text file, or SQL Server, or any data source it might be. So it's Power BI supports lots of data sources options. And in Power BI desktop, you can give relationship between one table to the other table, or let's take we have imported two tables. One table is from Excel and the other table is from the SQL server. So in order, we can give connection between those two tables even though it's from two different sources. So we have that option in Power BI, and we have a lot more features present in the desktop version. Comparatively with the web service, you can share the main advantage in web services. You can share the report easily with your friends or colleagues, and other thing is you cannot write the DAX queries. If you want to make any calculated fields or you want to return any aggregated value, you cannot write that formula in the Power BI web service. And comparatively, it supports less data sources. When compared to desktop, the data source connection is a little bit less in the web service. And also the main thing is you cannot give relationship between two different tables from two different data sources. So these are the main differences between the Power BI desktop and the cloud versions. So anyone has any questions, kindly stop me and you can ask. So this is the overall flow of Power BI. So in Power BI desktop, we will connect to the data source. Then we will be creating reports by drag and dropping the visuals like charts, pie chart, column chart, like that. And we will be publishing that report to the web, which is the cloud. And in cloud, we can build dashboards. Dashboard is nothing but putting different visuals into a single frame is called a dashboard, and we can share the dashboard to anyone we want with the right access. So this is the overall flow of Power BI. So anyone has any questions as of now? You can ask or you can put it in the chat box. So
Miss Bhuvaneshwari, can you have a look for a chat box? There is some of the question is asking.
okay, ma'am.
What is the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI Pro version? Yes, Mr. Fardos.
Like we will be importing the data into Power BI. So Anandan asked a question, connect with data sources means copy pasting. No, it's not copy pasting. It's like you have an Excel file in your local desktop and you want to build visuals out of that Excel file. In that case, you will be importing your data into Power BI and you will be creating visuals out of that. So that is what we will be doing. Someone has asked, do we need to sign in to Power BI to use it? So if you have an organizational account, you can able to sign in into Power BI. So if you don't have an organizational account, it's not needed to to sign in to build a report in the local desktop. You can, without signing in, you can build the report in local desktop. The only disadvantage is you cannot publish that into the cloud. So for now, we don't want to sign in. And other one has asked, what is the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI Pro version? So Power BI Desktop is the local application we have installed in our local desktop, and Power BI Pro is a cloud version. So you can open your browser and you can type app.powerbi. It will take you to the cloud platform of Power BI. So cloud and on-prem are the difference between Power BI Pro and the desktop.
Can choose to go to the 5 yards, then the 2.4. Why? The 5 yards is higher speed, remember? Can go high speed, 2.4 low speed. But why we like 2.4?
And other person has asked, what is the difference between Power BI and Power Query? So Power BI is the application. Power Query is the transformation part we have, where we will be cleaning the data, processing the data, like transforming the data. I will be explaining that now. Like when we are going for hands-on, I will be explaining that the difference between the Power Query and the Power Pivot part. So Mohammed has asked, if someone using premium account, does data in cloud share to trial account? So yes, like you can use the Power BI trial account as a pro, or you can use a trial account as PPU, which is a premium per user. It's a 30 days trial where you can build the reports and you can share that with anyone you want.
Okay. Okay. So thank you for everybody for your question. Okay. We'll go for a hands-on training session now. Okay. If you have any question, each and every hands-oning in, Miss Bhuvaneshwari asking about if you have any doubts or like that. That time you write your question. She will ready to answer your question. Okay. Okay. Fine. Miss Bhuvaneshwari,
Yes, ma'am.
please take over the session here.
Yeah, I will be dropping the data set in the chat box now, so that everyone can download that.
Have you shared?
Yeah,
But
once it's loading, ma'am. One
okay.
second.
Okay, Netflix CSV file. Okay, fine.
So I have shared two CSV files. So we are going to work on interesting real-time data.
Okay. Miss Bhuvaneshwari, can you please share this file to our WhatsApp group? Some of the students asking. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, everybody please download this to CSV file. Okay. No worry, Mr. Mohammed. Miss Bhuvaneshwari will share that file in our WhatsApp group. No worry.
I have just dropped the files in the WhatsApp group. Let me know if anyone's finding any difficulty in downloading the files. Mohammed, you don't need to sign into Power BI. So since we don't have an organizational account, we could not able to sign in, but we can build visuals without signing into Power BI.
Yes, everybody downloaded the Netflix CSV file. Okay, those are done for downloading. Just please type 1. Okay, fine, great, super. So please download. Have this CSV file for a hands-on training. Okay, fine. I think Miss Bhuvaneshwari, they already downloaded.
Yes.
Go ahead. Miss Bhuvaneshwari?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay.
So can we get started? So are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
So when you open Power BI, this is the thing you get to see. And this is the report view where we will be building the reports. So here we have an option. So to build a report, definitely we need a data. Without data, we cannot do anything. So to get the data, I think you all will be downloaded the CSV file. Just click get data and click more. So here you could able to see lots of data source options available. So then click text or CSV file. Then give connect. So it will take you to your browser. So you can choose Netflix. So the thing I took the OTG data is to build a real-time report so that you will get a connect and easy understanding of Power BI. So then give load the data. So the data got loaded, and here I have another view called table view. I'm just clicking that. Now I could able to see my table, I mean my data. So I have various columns here. So these are the columns available. So did everyone loaded your data into Power BI? So are you guys doing? If anyone is facing any issue, just put it in the comment box.
Thank you, Miss Noor. Thank you, Miss Yumi. Miss, would you please repeat? I miss. Okay.
Yeah, I can repeat again. So this is how when you open Power BI it looks. So here you have an option called get data. Just click that. Then you have an option called text or CSV file. Click that. It will take you to your desktop browser. I mean the file manager. Just click the file that I shared to you. So I'm just clicking the Amazon Prime. Then give open. So here it shows the preview of data, just give load.
Miss Bhuvaneshwari, can you
Yes,
please share the Amazon.csv file to our WhatsApp group?
I think I have shared it.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Sorry.
No problem.
3 file you shared, no? Okay, fine. Great.
So once it got loaded, you can go to your table view. So you could able to see I have two tables here. One is the Netflix and another one is Amazon. So anyone can share your screen and show me so that we can get to know that we are on the same track. So Emilia Rosalie have asked the question, after load, where I should click to view the data. So once it got loaded, so in the left corner, you have few icons. The first one is the report view we are in, and the second one is the table view. So you can just click the table view, and here you could able to see the data we loaded. I think Emilia, you got the answer. So if you have any other questions, please put it in the drop command box. Anandi has asked a question. So can we choose both the tables together and load it to Power BI? Yes. Yes, Anandi, if you couldn't able to load it together, you can do it individually. Can anyone share your screen and show me? Yeah, Anandi is sharing.
Okay, so is also done, right? Okay, Anandi also done. Okay, fine.
Great, Anandi. Fazail is sharing.
Right, correct. Okay. Super. Okay, do one thing. Most of them they done. Okay, those are not loaded. Please type 2. Okay. Yes, Umi, can you please share your screen? Miss Umi Zakaria, can you please share your screen? Yes. Okay. Yes, Miss Bhuvan, please help.
Yeah.
Yeah. You already
So
loaded, right?
can you go to get data? Can you please get data, Umi?
I think already loaded. See the data.
Yeah, you have already loaded.
Okay,
So
next step. Okay, fine.
just go to the left corner, click table view. Left corner, you have a 4 icons down. I think here. Yeah, just click that. So here you could able to see all your tables, columns, and the data inside it. So yeah, you're done, me. Yeah, great.
Okay, great. Yes. Yes, Miss Nithya Rubini, can you please share your screen? Nithya Rubini? Oh, the app crashed. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, no problem. Yes, Mr. Daniel, can you please share your screen? Mr. Daniel Hazik, can you please share your screen? Yes. Done. Okay, one more file you load. You load
Yeah.
only Netflix. No, you can load for Amazon also. Go for get data. Oh, get data. You load for one more file. Text CSV file. Okay, fine. Open. You can load multiple file at one shot as well. You select all the CSV file, load one shot means it will be loaded.
I think he is using the cloud version of Power BI. So didn't you install the desktop version? I don't know who's sharing.
This is was Mr. Daniel's screen, Miss Bhuvaneshwari.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Mr. Daniel, sorry. Yes. Yes, done. Thank you. Yes, Azi. Yes, Miss Azi. Can you please share your screen? Okay, please continue. Miss Bhuvaneshwari, please continue.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. So we all have loaded the 2 tables into a Power BI. So now I'm going to take you to the Power Query editor view where we will be transforming the data. Transforming in the sense cleaning the data, changing the data type. If you want to change the structure of the data, you can change, or if you want to replace, or if you want to remove or add any conditional or custom column, you can do. So any transformation you want to do, you can do that in the Power Query editor part. So at the top, you could able to see an option called transform data. You can just click that. It will take you to another window which is called Power Query Editor. So here, this is the layer that we will be doing, we will be structuring the data to our requirement. So here we have the two tables which we have loaded, and at the top we have lots of options. I will just walk you through the options we use frequently. So in the home tab, we have new source. By using this, you can load the data into Power BI. The same option we did prior, like the get data. This is also the same thing. And if you want to create manual table, you can click the enter data and you can create your table manually in Power BI on your own. And so we have the refresh preview. So if you need to refresh your table, you can click this option and choose column. If you want to choose any column, you can go and you can choose whatever column you want. Here I have these much of columns. So if I want only these 3 columns, I can go and I can click here. So only those 3 columns have been selected, and all the steps will be captured at the right corner, which is called the applied step. So whatever steps you are doing, it will be captured at the right corner. So if you want to remove this step and you want to go back to the previous step, you can just click this option. So just click the into mark, so it will take you to the previous step. And if you want to remove any column, you can click and remove. Like if I want to remove tags, I will just click tags and give remove column. So tags will be removed and the column and the step will be captured at the right corner. And if you want to just filter out only the top 10 columns, you can just choose this option called keep rows. Like I'm giving example, I'm giving 10 rows I want. So it will just filter out the top 10 rows. And if you want to remove any row, you can just, so for example, I want to remove the first row. So I will just click the first row and click remove top row. So I want to give the top one should be removed. So yeah, the top one is removed. And if you want to split the column, so example, I want to split the tax column using the comma. So I want drama in different as a specific column, and comedian should be in different column. So for that, I just clicking the tax. I'm going to the split column. So split by delimiter. So I want to get splitted columns by the comma.
Okay.
And I'm just giving okay. So you could able to see the drama, comedians, films, everything based on the comma. It came into multiple different columns.
Okay.
So everything.
Miss Bhuvaneshwari, sorry to interrupt you. Some of the
Okay.
students feel you go little fast.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, can you please repeat the step and then go slowly?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, because most of the students they are the beginner. The portal, the poll report tell.
Yeah,
Okay,
I understand.
so please.
Yeah, sure. I understand. So the things I'm doing, you can just note it down and you can practice later point, because I'm just walk you guys on the options available for building a report. We won't be using all the options available. We will be using 1 or 2 specific transformation step we want. So yeah, let's do transformation based on the report. So I will come again. So this, once you are loaded the table, you have this view. Just click transform data. So once you click transform data, you could able to see a window called Power Query Editor. So here we will be doing data transformations. So at the top, we have lots of transformation options. Like as I said, we have choose column, remove column, and keep rows, remove rows, splitting the column. And in the transform tab, we also have replace value, pivot column kind of stuffs, and count rows. And in add column, we have conditional and creating custom column. We have these are some of the important or widely used transformations. So let's do some transformations based on our report. So just click Amazon Prime. You could able to see lots of column available. So this column date add, it has an inappropriate name. So I'm going to change the name of this column. For that, I'm just giving tapping, double tapping on the column and changing the name to date. So now it has changed. So are you guys following up to me? Anyone having any difficulty? So Haridaran, could you able to follow? Anandi, can you share your screen? Okay, so some might face this issue where when you load the Power BI, when you load the table, it is not taking your first row as a default column name. So for that, so can you remove the changed data type option? Yeah. Can you click that? Can you click the settings? In the source, no. In the source, you have option called source. No. Can you go to Power BI? So you have in the applied steps, can you go to transform data, the Power Query editor? So in the right side corner, you have an option called source. So can you click at the corner? You have a setting option. Yeah. Can you click the browse? So can you choose the Amazon Prime file? Give open. Okay. Give okay. So now go to the home tab. Go to the home tab. There at the top, you have an option called use first row as header. Come to the right. Yeah, yeah, at the top. Yeah, click that. Just click that. So now your first row as came to the header part. If anyone is facing this issue, kindly use that option. Anandi, can you open your Excel and check whether it is in the right format, because it is not loaded in a right format to you. I think I gave it as an CSV file. Can you go to your file manager? So can you download the Excel again, and can you do it again, because it is not loaded in a proper way. Anyone else is facing the same issue? Anyone facing the same issue, like the header is not populated? Okay. So Sasi Kumar asked, what would be the consequence if you use Excel other than CSV format? Nothing, Sasi Kumar. Like, you can use whatever data source you want. You can use Excel, you can use CSV. So you can use any data source you want. The only thing is you need to choose the, so if you are going to use Excel in the data source, you have to choose Excel. So if you are going to use CSV, you need to choose the CSV option. So that is the only thing. So if anyone is facing the same issue, so I will show you how to do that. So once you have loaded, so your data will be in this way. So you will not have your column header at the top. So you can go to the home tab. Here there is an option called use first row as a header. Just click that. So you will get the first row as header.
Hello.
Yes.
Miss, can you explain a bit? Why do we use Power Query instead of just open the Power BI?
Sure. So Power Query, this is the transformation part. So example, you have a data which is not in a proper structure.
Mm-hmm.
So let's take, you have a date column. So date column, it is already in the right format, date. But what if your date column is in a text? Let's take, this is in this format. The date column is in this format. But you want your date column to be in a different format. in a proper date format. In that time, you can transform your column to the specific requirement you want. You can just go and click the data type as date. So now it has been changed to the date data type.
Okay, so here in Power Query, we do some changes before we go for all the graph and all that, right?
Exactly. So you can shape your data uh, to whatever format you want. So example, if you have two tables, you want to join the two tables, you can join. And if you want to append two tables, you can append. So if you want to do group by, you can do. So any kind of transformation or any kind of data cleaning, you can do it in Power Query Editor.
Okay, so so far I can see the features it's not really different from Microsoft Excel, is it?
Yeah, so these features will be already available in Excel, but it is very efficient to use. And just for let's check in Excel, if you want to join two tables, you will do a lookup table. You will be using some formulas in Excel to look up the table. But in Power BI, we have an option called merge table. So here you could see merge table. So here I have chosen Amazon Prime and Netflix. So if I want to merge it, I will be selecting the common columns between these two tables. It's a kind of the join we do in SQL, the left join, right join kind of stuffs. So just choose the column you need, and here you can choose the left, right, full outer join, anything you want, and just give OK. So the Netflix table came into the Amazon Prime table. So if I want this, I can choose. So yeah. So now I have a single table with the data of Amazon Prime as well as the Netflix.
So we do not need to use that VLOOKUP formula, all that, right? Here.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So Power BI is
Excuse
yeah.
me, when can you repeat again how to merge the two files?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you so much. I left that.
So actually merge is not required for our report. Since she asked, I just explained the difference between the Excel and the merge. So yeah, I can explain you how to do it again. So at the top, we have an option called merge. Just click that. At the top, we have the Amazon Prime, and bottom we can choose the Netflix, and joining these two tables using the common column called the title. And here I have given the left outer join and just give OK. So this is the Amazon Prime table. So inside the Amazon Prime, I got the table Netflix. So just click this option, arrow marks at the corner of the column. So I'm just clicking this and choose the required columns you want from Netflix. So yeah. So this is a single table. This is an Amazon table. I have joined that with Netflix and bought the required column I need. So I made a single table with the columns present in both.
Miss.
Yeah.
So this is joining that Netflix and Amazon Prime file, right?
Yes,
This
yes.
is only joining, right?
Yes, this is joining.
Okay.
So this is not required at this point for the report we are going to build. I'm just showing you the example of how to join two tables.
Miss, can you repeat how to use the Netflix table?
Sure, sure.
So because you already loaded into Amazon, so from Amazon we already have the Netflix table. So from
Yes.
now onwards, please.
So here I have a Amazon. So you can just share your screen so that I can guide you. Yeah. So
Okay.
at the right corner, you have two arrow marks.
Right. Corner.
Down, down. You have Netflix, no? You have Netflix. Uh,
Here.
yeah.
Okay.
At the corner of the same. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Just click that. Then these are the columns from your Netflix table. You can choose the required column you want from the Netflix table.
So we can choose whatever we want. Is it
Yes.
title? Okay. So I choose one. Okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Just give okay. Yeah, you got the title from Netflix
Okay.
in the Amazon table.
So that means this Netflix and Amazon will be matching together, is it, at this point?
Exactly, exactly.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you can just remove the merge steps because it is not required for the report we are developing now. In the applied steps, you can just remove the expanded Netflix. Yeah, just remove that. Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
Perfect. So yeah, I'll just share my screen. So now I have a column. I have renamed the date added column to date. So this is one of the transformation step I have done. So I think everybody have done this step. So now at the left corner, top corner, here you could able to see an option called close and apply. Just click the drop down and give close and apply. Uh, are you guys following?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now you can go to the table view in the Amazon Prime table. So here is the column I renamed. So here is the date column. So the changes have applied in the Power BI.
So every time we do some changes on the Power Query, we need to like close and apply. Is it like to save the changes, right? Hello?
Okay, I think internet issue. Sorry guys. Okay, in the meantime, okay. Have you all done? I know data list we can get. Sure. Okay, in the meantime, okay, wait. Let me. Okay, yes, I think she joined today.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, I had a small network issue. So yeah, now we are going to analyze what are the columns and what are the information that present inside the table before building the visuals. So in the Netflix table, I have a column called title, the title of the movie or web series, anything, and the uh, genre it is belongs to, like action movie or action adventure. It's a comedy movie or kind of genre, and the tagline for the movie. And here I have the language it belongs to, and this column it defines either the specific title of the film belongs to a web series or a movie. It's the kind of flag column. And here I have the score, some kind of score given to the movie, and what are the countries it is available, and the runtime, director, writer of the movie, and the release date. We have such kind of informations. We have all these kinds of information in the inside the
Sorry,
table.
Miss Bhuvaneshwari,
Yes.
I can't get the table in my Power BI.
Mhm.
Can you
So can you share your screen?
Miss,
Yes.
well, I asked before you disconnected just now. We need to click close and apply
Yes.
before we go to the Power BI, right?
Yes.
Otherwise the changes will not be saved, is it?
Yes. If you're not giving the close and apply, the changes you did in the Power Query will not be applied into your Power BI.
Okay.
So yeah, just go to the right corner. So here.
Okay.
Yeah, Nitya, go to the left corner here. Yeah, just click that.
Oh, okay.
So you could able to see the information that we
Right.
have inside the table.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So now let's start building our visual. Now I'm going to find what is the total count of movies present inside the Netflix. So I'm going to find that. For that, I am taking a card visual. In the right side, you have a option called visualization. So here there is an option called card.
Miss,
Yes.
how to get that visualizations? Because mine is only the data. Oh, okay. You click that
Yeah.
the double arrow, is it?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't there. It's not there.
Okay.
How can I get that visualizations? From the header?
It's from the report review, is it?
Can you share your screen?
Share my screen now. With that, my laptop is full. Oh, okay, share. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you
So
have
it's
to.
only here.
Yeah. You just click 1 second. You just go to the report view. I have marked here.
Report?
Report view at the left corner. Left corner.
Oh,
Yeah.
here. Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Just go there. Here you have visualization.
All right. Okay,
Okay. Just click
Okay,
the
okay.
card option.
Okay. Then I click back table view.
No.
No.
Just
Okay.
go to the card option. I have just marking out.
Okay. Okay, Khatam. Thank you.
Yeah. So click the card option here. So now we are going to find the total number of movies that present inside the Netflix. So for that, I am going to write a formula. So go to the home. Here we have an option called measures. Just click that. So measure is nothing but the DAX, data analysis expression. It's a kind of query that we use in Power BI. It is like a calculation we will be using inside the Power BI. So now I'm going to find the total shows that is available inside the Netflix. So for that, I'm giving a title to my measure, which is total shows. Now I'm going to count the number of shows. For that, I'm giving the count function. So now I'm going to count the shows inside the Netflix. So I am selecting the table Netflix. So this is my table. Now I am going to choose the column. So I have,
Excuse me, Miss. How do
yes,
you show the measure tools column?
Yeah,
yeah.
because mine stop until help.
Okay, in the home, you have an option called measure here. You could
I
able,
cut new measure. Okay,
yeah,
new measure. All right.
yeah,
Just click there.
yeah. Just give a name as total shows and put the formula along with me. I'll just write the formula and drop it down in the comment section. So I'm going to choose the column called title. So I am giving commit. So I'll just drop this in the comment section. So this count function, it counts the number of titles available. So now in the data panel, I'm going to choose the measure. So if you're writing a measure, it will be in the symbol called a calculator symbol will come along with that. So I'm going to drag and drop inside my card visual. So anyone facing any difficulty?
Okay. I think where to get that 15K total shows? I left because it's very fast.
Can you share your screen?
Sorry, repeat, drag and drop.
Yeah.
Yeah, repeat, drag and drop, please. Oh my God.
So can you
Share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, now I write down what you said just now. So where is drag and drop?
Yeah. So there is a card option here. You need to click this option. I'm just
Hang on, I can't see what you write.
here.
Huh?
Can you click this option?
Which one?
Just
This
click
one?
it.
This
Yeah,
one?
just click it. Yeah.
Card. Okay.
Now you have the total shows here, the measure you wrote.
Total shows.
Just click that.
Oh, okay.
Select that. Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Could you able to see?
Okay, and then?
Yeah, you have successfully created a card visual.
Oh, okay, okay. All right then. So from here. All right, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's great. You have asked it. So we have 15,000 total number of shows inside the Netflix. So we got the information out of the table we have. So now let's create another column. Let's create another visual. So now I want to know
This.
Yes.
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 For this data, my total show got an exclamation mark, so it can't show the 15K total shows. So how do I fix that?
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah. 1 second.
All right, so here we get this.
Can you click that? So you need to give the table name. So remove the close bracket.
Okay.
Give the open bracket. Give type Netflix. Yeah, choose that Netflix. Then at the bottom, scroll down and search for the title. Yeah, just click that. Now close bracket. Now just commit. Click the right tick mark. Yeah, click the tick mark. Yeah. That's
All right. Okay.
good.
So now I just drag it here.
Yes, just select that. Yeah.
I see. All right. Thank you.
Okay, Miss Bhuvaneshwari, can we have a 10 minutes break?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yes, everybody, please, sorry, Miss, can you repeat? I'm stuck at this one. Okay, yes, Mr. Mohammed. Okay, Miss Bhuvaneshwari, can you please repeat once again? The students facing some difficulty.
Sure.
After 10, okay, have a 10 minutes break and then we'll continue the session.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Yes, everybody, those are successfully done. Have a 10 minutes break time. Okay, so now time is 11:41. Okay, take a 10 minutes break. So we'll start at 11:52. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a cup of coffee, or if you want to go to washroom, go and then come back. Okay. Please.
Miss, I got problem.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Okay. But this, how?
So the problem is you have already created a measure with the same name. Can you, why you need to create two measures? Like just close it, give close.
Close with one.
This
The
here,
measure two.
close. Yeah.
Then
Then change the name of the measure. Just put it 2 or something. Just give one extra name.
measure.
Yeah. I think you already have a measure named as measure. Just give one measure one.
Measure one.
Yeah. Then give commit. Click the commit. The right. Yeah. Already have created a measure called total shows. Can you open that? Can you click that? Just click that. Okay, you have used the column called actors. So you need to select the column title to find the count of total shows that is available in Netflix. Yes, exactly. Give the commit one. Click the right arrow. Yeah. Okay. Then choose the column.
Choose the column, which one?
I mean here. You have the measure here, right? Just choose this. Click this. Yeah. So now, yeah.
Oh, okay. Good.
So anyone else facing any issues? Everyone has done. Okay, let's move on to the other visual.
How to stop?
Yeah.
Pause.
Okay. So now we found the total number of shows available in Netflix. Now let's find what is the total count of web series that is available inside Netflix. For that, we are going to write another measure. So go to the top corner, go to the top, again click new measure. So give a measure name. So now we are going to find the total series available. So total series. So
Sorry, ma'am, we can't see your screen. I can't see your screen. Okay, I guess.
okay. So now I'm going to use a function called calculate. Now I'm going to count the total number of shows. So count I'm choosing the table Netflix and the column title. So now this counts the total number of titles, I mean the shows. Now I want to count the total number of web series. For that, I'm giving a comma. In Power BI DAX function, comma represents the where condition. So if you want to give any where condition, or if you want to filter something, you need to give a comma. So here I'm going to filter the series. So again, I'm checking the table Netflix and I'm selecting the column series or movies. So it should be the series. So I'm giving the double quotes because I'm going to give a string value, and I'm giving a condition called series. Now I'm closing this bracket. Now I'm committing the measure. So I'll just drop the same thing in the chat box so that you all can copy that and can create a new measure. So the meaning of this measure is I'm going to count the total shows which belongs to the web series. Anyone has any questions on this?
Hello, miss. Why can't we just count Netflix series? Only series. Why we need to calculate?
So yeah. So here, initially you are calculating the titles. In the title, I want to count the titles which is specific to the series. So in Power BI, whenever you are giving any filter condition or where condition, you need to put a function called calculate. So calculate function is very necessary in writing a measure while you are giving a where condition. So here, this is a where condition. So I need to count the title where it is a web series. So I'm giving a where condition here. So I have to give the calculate function.
So that means the series are the subset of title, is it?
Exactly. Like if you go to the table view, I will show you. Like click the Netflix table. So you have a column called yeah. So here you have a column called series or movies. Here I'm just filtering the series. So here I have series and this is the title. So I'm going to count the title that belongs to the series so that I will get the total count of shows that comes under the series. So here you can see 3,783 filtered rows, which means we have 3,783 shows that belongs to the web series.
Okay,
Did
Miss.
you got the answer? So again, choose a card. Then now choose the total series. Just click it. So here we have 3,783 number of series available in Netflix. So any questions or any difficulty?
Miss, I couldn't click on the second card for second time. I couldn't.
Can you share your screen?
Okay, so when I click one year,
Can you go choose a card?
okay.
Yeah. Then
Oh, okay, it appears.
yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Just click the card again and no, the card inside. Yeah, remove that. Click here. Yeah, exactly. Great. Anyone else facing any issue? Can you put it in the comment box?
Yeah. I don't know how to add another, like what you showed him just now.
Yeah. Can you share your screen, ma'am? So
Okay, wait.
so at the top, you have an option called new measure. Okay. I think you have edited the same formula in the existing measure. Can you click the total measures? What's it? This one? This total measure. Can you click that? Just click that measure, not that one, at the right side. This one, ma'am. This one, total measure. Yeah. Can you click that? So what you have done is you have edited the same measure we wrote before. So
Okay. My question is how you drag and this box to here.
okay,
Because that's why I overlap the data, you know. So show me how you put.
You are not overlapped the visual. You have just edited in the same visual.
Okay, so now show me to do it the correct
Can
way.
you create a new measure? Can you go and create new measure? So here put total shows. Equal to count. And yeah, count Netflix. Can you type Netflix and open bracket title? Can you choose title? Scroll down. Or you can even type, close bracket. Then commit the measure here. Yeah. Okay. So can you click the card? Can you, one second, can you click at the empty space here? Can you click at the empty space? Yeah, click some anywhere. Yeah, now you have deselected the existing visual. Now you go and choose the card visual again.
Choose the what? Oh, the card.
Yeah, again choose it. Just click that. Yeah, you got other visual. Now put the total shows there. Just click the total shows. Yeah, you got two card visuals.
So how about this one?
That is here. So
Do I
we
click
have
it?
here.
Should I
No,
click
no,
it?
no,
Oh,
no. We have that here, the total series.
Okay,
In
okay.
another visual.
This is card. Okay, okay. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So let's build another visual. Anyone else facing any issue? Mohammed, I think you have an error. So can you screen share quickly? So Mohammed, if your measure shows error, can you copy paste your measure in the chat box so that I will check whether you are in the right track? Mohammed, are you there? Either you screen share or you put it in the comment box, the formula you used for a measure.
Miss Buva, maybe
Yes.
you can check the waiting room. I think some of them are there.
Okay. So whoever is facing issue, can you share your screen quickly so that we can resolve that and go to the next visual?
Hello. Actually, I'm Rina. Actually, I have a problem on the second, the series one. So I cannot find the after the Netflix series or movie.
Can you, your screen is still not visible. Can you screen share? Urina, can you, are you there?
Yes, I'm trying to print it and share in the
Like the time is flying, like others are waiting. Can you do it quickly?
No problem. Miss, can you please, in the Zoom control, there is a share screen green color button is there? No, you click the share screen button. Okay, super.
Yeah, can you click that visual? It shows the error. Yeah. Oh, okay. So you have used the wrong table. So can you go to the measure you have created? The total series, can you click that? Like here. Yeah, can you click that? So, okay. Okay. Can you remove this? Can you remove this visual? Can you bring the card visual again? Now choose the column. Just click the total series. Can you click the see details option here? Okay, it's a data type issue, I think. Can you open the measure? Can you click the measure? Close it and click the measure. Here, this one. Just click it. Can you go to the, can you search for title? No, not there. Like in the search, can you click the title? Yeah. Okay, it's in the correct format. It should be in text. And can you click movies or series? Can you type? Yeah. Can you click that column? Yeah, it is having the correct data type. I think your Power BI, it's facing some glitch. Everything is right. Just to close the Power BI and reopen it again. Build the visual, create a new measure and put it in the card visual again, so it will get resolved. Your formula is right. Everything is right. It's just a glitch, I guess. So do it. Just close the Power BI, open it freshly, and do it again. Save it. Yeah, you can save it in your local desktop. So anyone else facing the same issue? Okay, let's.
Miss, I have a question. If let's say
Okay.
when we create the new measure like total series and total shows, does it go to the table view in the as a column?
Okay, so you create a measure. So that measure comes under the Amazon table. That is your problem, right?
Yeah.
So let me show you. While creating a table, you should click at the appropriate table, and you can click the option new measure so that the measure will be created inside the Netflix, or you can go to the data model view, just click the measure. Here you have an option called home table. You can change the measure location to the Netflix. So now both my measures came into the Netflix table, but it is not a problem. It will not create any problem. because your measure is separate and the columns inside your table is separate. So wherever your measure is, it is not a problem. I think Sasi, you got the answer?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so let's move on to the other visual. So now let's create something different. So I want to know what is the runtime for the shows. So for that, I am going to choose the donut chart. Can you all choose the donut chart here? Now, in the legend, I am going to type runtime. And I'm just drag and dropping that here. And in the values, I am going to type title and I'm drag and dropping here. So now I could able to see the count of titles which has more run. So now I could able to take a decision that more number of movies has 1 to 2 hours of duration, and 25% of shows has less than 30 minutes duration, and 13% of shows as greater than 2 hours of duration. So this is how I could easily able to see the show duration. So are you guys following up with me? Have you guys done this?
No.
Oh, no problem.
I'm lost with the pie chart. I mean the donut.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
You can share your screen. Just we can sort it out quickly. Okay. So in the values, just go and type the title. You have the title here. You have the title here.
I mean, where can I edit? Sorry. Oh, the title. Okay.
Yeah, just click that. No, you need to put it in the values. It came
This
in
is
the detail.
Amazon. Hang on. We are in Netflix, right?
Okay. Yeah, you need.
I have the title in Netflix.
Just remove it from the details.
Sorry?
Just remove it from the details.
This
Just
one?
remove.
Or
Yeah,
remove?
remove that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Add it in the values. Put it in the values.
Here?
Yeah, here. Put it here. Put the title here. Just drag and drop.
Here, is it? I don't understand.
You need to drag and drop this title. You have this title here, right?
Oh my God. Hang on. Okay, title. Drag where? Here? This
Drag
one, you
here.
mean?
Drag it in the values.
Oh, like this. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, remove that in details.
Remove the what?
Remove the title in the details.
Oh, this one remove. Okay.
Yeah.
This one is correct now.
Yeah, it's right.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah. So anyone else? Everyone, have you guys done? Okay, I will just repeat the step for the donut chart again.
Hello, Miss. Me
Yeah.
also. Okay. Now how?
Okay. Can you go and search for the title?
Search for the
Here
title.
in the search, yeah. Check the spelling like TIT. Yeah. So choose the title from the Netflix. Drag and drop the title in values. In values, top. Yeah. Remove it from the details. Remove it from the details. Down. No, not there. Here you have no details. Bottom, yeah. Down. Yeah. No. Just remove the title in the details. Yeah, remove that. You got it.
Then
That's all. Like now you could able to see that 58
oh,
percentage of movies that has a runtime of 1 to 2 hours.
okay. Thank you.
So now I will show you how to format this visual. So let's change the title of this visual. So just click the visual. In the visualization, we have option called format your visual. Click format your visual. Now in the general, we have an option called title. You can change the title to show duration. Yeah. So I have changed the title to show duration. Now I am going to change the color of the donut chart. I have option visual here. Click the visual. Here I have an option called slicers. Now I am just going to change the color. I'm just giving whatever color I want. So yeah, I gave whatever color. So are you guys following up with me? Like anyone facing any difficulty in doing this? If you're not done, just put no in the comment section. Okay, I think most of you have done. So I'm just arranging this. Now we are going to build another visual where we are going to compare the number of movies released and by the year. So based on the year, we are going to compare which year as the highest amount of movies released. Now, I am going to take a cluster column chart. Take a clustered column chart. Now, in the search, just type year. Netflix release year. So you will get to see a column called Netflix release year. So just drag and drop it in the x-axis. And I am just taking only the year. Have you guys following up with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I am going to compare the number of shows. So just type title, drag and drop it in the y-axis. And just type series or movies, put it in the legend. Are you doing along with me?
Miss,
Yes.
can you repeat from the beginning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just
I'm lost about this chat, the bar chart.
no problem. Just choose the clustered column chart here. Then in the search option, go and search for Netflix release year. Then click the drop arrow and choose Netflix release date. So are you following up with me? Like just choose the clustered column chart, drag and drop the Netflix release date. So here we are going to compare with the year. So either you can go and choose the release date or here, or we have the date hierarchy here, or you can also just remove like this. And now search for title. Here we have a title from the Netflix. Just drag and drop here. So we have the count of titles here. And again, you can go and type series or movies. Just put it down in the legend. So now we can easily compare. 2015 has the highest 2693 movies have released, and in 2020 we have 2764 number of movies. This is a comparison between the movies and the series for each year. So anyone facing any issue, can you share your screen and show me?
I have a question.
Okay, can you share your screen?
That is
Can you remove everything?
this one.
Yeah, can you delete, can you remove the visual? We can build it again.
Visual. Which one?
I encountered the same problem. So I think you add small multiples. You have to remove the small multiples
Yes, here.
down some more. Yeah.
Just remove that.
Yes.
Yeah, you got it.
You done?
Yeah, you're done.
Okay.
Anyone? So yeah, just go and type for the Netflix release year at the search. Netflix. I think some spelling mistake. Yeah. Yes, just click that. Yeah. Just remove day, month, and quarter. Super. Yeah. Now go and search for the title. Drag and drop that in the y-axis. Now go and search the series or movies. Put it in the legend. Yeah, you're done. I think you have chosen a different chart. You need to choose a. This is also one of the chart you can use for comparison operation, but we all have used this clustered column chart. Just click that. Yeah, just click that. Yeah, you got the visual. Nice. So anyone else, please feel free to ask questions. If you are stuck anywhere, please share your screen and get it done. So you have chosen a different. Okay, okay. Can you scroll down? Can you remove the? Can you can you scroll up? Scroll at the top. Okay. Can you remove the series or movies from the small multiples? Yeah, yeah. Can you remove that? Can you move little bit top? Can you go up? Scroll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just wait for a second. Can you come down slowly? Scroll down. Yeah. Remove the title from the legend. Uh, can you search for the series or movies? Yeah. Choose the series or movies. Put it in the legend. Yeah, you got the visual. Great. Yeah.
Miss Umi, are you there?
Yes. Who's anyone?
Miss Umi Zakaria, are you there? I think she has the issue, but Miss Umi Zakaria. Okay, fine. Unmute your mic and then talk to us. What is your problem? Unmute your mic. There is a mute option, the mic symbol which is on the bottom of Zoom control, no? Okay.
All right. Okay. Yeah. Can you hear my voice?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Okay. It's just that the 3783, I can't get it. So how to get that calculation?
Okay. Can you click that visual?
This? Yeah.
Yeah. Can you remove the field you have used?
Remove it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So can you click the card visual?
All right.
Okay. Have you written a measure for total series?
Total series is this one?
Can you click that? Can you click that? Yeah, click it there.
Okay.
I think you have created it as a column.
Oh.
And your formula is wrong actually. I will just copy paste the formula in the chat box.
Okay.
Just use that formula.
Oh, so I just copy that formula and paste it here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can use this formula. I have shared it in the chat box. Yeah.
All right, and then apply changes or click.
No, just commit. Now, just
still something wrong with
no.
this field.
You have created as a column, not as a measure. Can you go to the top home? Can you click the home tab? Top here, this one.
Oh, okay. Go home and then
create new measure.
All right.
Copy paste the same.
The same thing?
Yeah, same thing.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Remove the measure equal to thing. Remove measure equal to, yeah.
All
now
right.
commit.
Okay.
Now, can you give another name for it? Let's keep it as total series 2.
Total series
give close.
Close, all right.
Just rename the measure as total series 2. Just add 2.
Oh, just add 2.
Yeah.
Do we have
Give
space?
the number 2. Give number 2. Okay, now commit. Now drag, go and search. Yeah. Now use the new measure. Remove the old one. Remove the old one. Yeah. Use the new measure. Yeah.
Oh, all right. Okay. So what happened if I want to change total series to something else? Is it possible?
Yes, you can. Like you can add new calculation here. Like you can create a new measure and just drag and drop the new measure inside this visual, or you can go for a new visual and create a new measure. Use the calculation inside your new measure, new visual.
Okay. That means I have to go where to add the new measure.
So at the top you have a new measure.
Oh, this one, the new measure. All right. Okay. So I
Yes.
just click it there and then I'm just going to type in the new one.
Yes.
I see. Okay. All right. So far, so good. Is everything, the one that I did correct?
Yeah, everything looks good.
All
Great.
right. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Any question from anybody? Guys, do you have any problem? Okay, who need help? Mr. Tan. Okay, Nurina, that is a donut chat. Okay, fine. Okay, first settle for Mr. Tan. Mr. Tan, can you please share your screen? Okay. So others, those are done. Please be patient. We'll settle the issues and then we'll move forward. Okay. Yes. What happened? Can you please unmute your mic and then talk to us? Mr. Tan?
Okay. So
Yes, Mr. Tan Yanchin. Can you please unmute your mic?
Tan, are you there? Yeah, you can also chat here, like which visual you want to build. Like you have not built any of the things we have done. So Tan, can you click? Can you remove all the columns you are used in the x-axis? Can you remove all the columns? The cast, director, duration. Can you remove all this?
Okay, do one thing. Wait, Mr. Tan, there is a mic symbol at the bottom left corner, right? Okay, if you click the mic symbol, you automatically unmute.
No, ma'am, he's telling his mic is not functioning.
Oh, sorry. Please carry on. Yeah.
So
Please.
Tan, can you remove these columns? Can you remove all these 3 columns? Tan, are you there?
I think that. Okay. Accept my request. Mr. Tan, accept my request. Okay. This one you remove, right, Miss Bhuvaneshwari?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. Tan, just if you click means it automatically remove.
Okay. Can you choose the cluster column chart? Yes. Can you remove all these 3? Just go and type Netflix release year in the search.
Here.
Just here. Yeah. Type Netflix. Okay. Can you erase that? Can you undo that? Like, I think you have not loaded the table. You have not loaded the Netflix table, Tan. No. Go to the home tab. We have an option called get data. Just choose the CSV, text or CSV file. Connect. I think you have not downloaded. I have shared it in the WhatsApp group. So you can download that and you can revisit this recording again and you can do it. You can practice it. The problem is you have not downloaded the Netflix CSV file. So anyone else facing any other issues?
Miss, can you repeat the donut chart pie again?
Sure.
The step. Thank you.
So we can build the donut chart again. Here we have the donut chart. Just click that.
Sorry, I think the screen not shared yet.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Uh, no. You're not sharing your. Or this is another person.
Tan, can you unshare your screen? Yeah. Now you can share your screen, Urina. Urina, are you sharing?
No, I cannot share my screen right now.
Okay, so I will just show you the donut chart again. So just click the donut chart here, and we go and type title here. So type. So you need to put the title in the values and search for runtime. Just drag and drop runtime in the legend. I'll show you again. Here we have the donut chart. Just click that. So in the search, just type runtime, drag and drop that in the legend. Now search for the title. Drag and drop that in the values. Urina, you got the visual?
Yes, I got both already, the runtime and the title. Okay.
Nice.
Yes, I got it both. The total is around 9, count by total and then, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So now let's format this clustered column chart. I'm going to change the title. So for that, I'm going to the format visual panel here. I'm going to the general, the title. I'm giving a new title like yearly release of shows. Now I'm going to change the color of the column chart. For that, I'm going to the columns. Here we have all. I'm clicking the movies. For movies, I'm giving this color and I'm choosing the series here. And for series, I'm giving another color. So yeah. Now, so can we build another visual, one more visual? So which shows the number of awards received. For that, I'm going to choose the clustered bar chart. So I'm choosing the clustered bar. Then again, I'm taking the Netflix release year. So I'm going to compare based on the year. So I'm just choosing the year here. And the award receipt. And in the legend, I'm going to use the series or movies. So now I could able to see the year 2015 as the highest number of movies that got awarded. So this is another type of chart. So I'm going to change the title of the chart. So go to the format visual, go to general, then in the title, change the title to awards received by shows. I'm just keeping whatever title I want, and I'm going to change the color of the bars. So go to visuals, click bars. For the series, I'm choosing the series movies here. For the movies, I'm going to keep, let's, okay. And for the series, let's arrange this visuals.
Miss,
Yes.
why the x-axis is sum of award received instead of count?
Sorry?
In the x-axis, it shows sum instead of count like before.
Okay, you are asking me. 1 second. So why there is a sum instead of count, right?
Yeah.
So for the previous measure, this is a different business use case. Here I'm going to count how many number of shows released in each year. So for that, I am using the function called count. But here the business use case is I need to know what is the total number of awards received. So for example, let's take the award column. So I have different award, the Filmfare, the Oscar. So for a single movie, I got 2 Filmfare and 1 Oscar award. At the year 2000, let's take 2020. So I need to sum this. So my total award on 2020 is 3 awards. So total is 3. So for that, I need to sum the award. If I use the count, it will just show 2. So 2 is not the right value. So 3 is the total count awards. For that, I'm using the sum function. So here, when you click the drop down, you can able to see various aggregate functions available. If you want to see average, you can see choose average, minimum, max. You want whatever functions you want, you can choose. Am I answered your question?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So I'm just arranging this. So let's give a title to this dashboard. Go to insert. You have a text box. Type it as Netflix dashboard. Just click. I'm just changing the font size. Yeah. So yes, so we have created a simple dashboard. So I think we came to the end of the session. So anyone has any questions apart?
Miss.
Miss, can share the legend for the award received bar? I want to see the legend. Yeah, okay, thank you.
I have used the series or movies column in the legend.
How do you add the title, the Netflix dashboard?
Sorry.
How do
Can
you
you
add? Yeah,
Yeah,
the overall title. Netflix
just
dashboard. That one.
this one, the sum of award receipts.
No. I meant the here inside the graph, the total graph, you add the Netflix dashboard, the title, the overall title of the graph.
Can you share your screen?
Wait. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, this
So,
one. Just now you add a title
oh,
right
okay.
here.
Title. Go to the insert
Insert.
at the
Where is it?
top.
Oh, okay. Insert.
Then text box at the right side.
Okay, understood. Okay, thank you.
So you can just type it over there.
Here.
Yeah,
Here.
there
Oh,
you
yeah.
can
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, great. Thank you. So any other questions? So you want to, if you have any other questions regarding Power BI, you can ask.
Miss, just want to check with you. So if I use my Excel, right? So if I change data on my Excel, it will automatically change in the Power BI graph.
I didn't get your question. Like, can you repeat it again?
Okay, let's say if I'm using the data is from an Excel sheet in
Okay.
the table format. So if I change my data on the table or add
Okay.
on in the table, it will directly correlate in the visualization, right?
Okay. So your question is you have an Excel file. So I'm loading the Excel file into Power BI. So after some days, I'm going and changing the data in the Excel file. Will it get reflected in the Power BI dashboard? So that is the question you
Yes,
have.
correct.
So if you want to get the latest data updated in your Excel to the Power BI, you need to refresh the Power BI dashboard. For that, there is the option called refresh. I will show you. So in the home, you have an option called refresh here.
Okay.
So when you click that, your table will hit the source, which is the Excel or CSV, anything else. So, and the new data will populated into Power BI.
Okay. So now my next question. All right. So I have in my Excel, okay, and then I don't use the Power BI query, but instead I use the Excel on my desktop. Will that Excel desktop automatically change in this table here? Will it be reflected in the table and then my visualization? Or do I
No,
have to open Power BI?
you need to open Power BI and you need to click the refresh. Then only the changes you did in your Excel will get reflected into your Power BI visual.
Okay, I mean, like for example, right? Okay, I have a separate sheet, and then here I have the table, correct? The table here. So if I click the refresh on the table here, it will immediately populate the data, right?
Yes, yes, exactly.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any other question? You can also put it in the chat box so that I can answer. So I'll just show you the original dashboard that is being created for Netflix, so that you all can understand uh, that there are a lot of features available in Power BI. Yes, Amelina, she has a question. Don't we need to make changes on the query first before refresh? So if you have any, so once again, yeah. So this is the original report and it has lot of features. We have used slicers here. So if you click one inside the slicer, the visual will get filtered based on the slicer option you choose. So you could be able to see here. So it's very interactive, which means one visual can talk to other visual. So when I click the one visual, the other visuals are getting affected. And we also have an option here called page navigation. So here I'm just clicking the button Amazon. It is taking me to the Amazon page. And when I click Netflix, it is taking me to the Netflix page. So I have embedded the page navigation thing here. So this is the original report. So even anyone can build a report in this way if you have a continuous practice in Power BI.
Miss, one question.
Yes.
Can you save this dashboard in a PDF file?
Sorry?
Can you export this poster, I mean,
PDF.
into a PDF file?
Yeah, sure. After this call, I can send you this dashboard so that you guys can take a look on this. Sure.
I mean, how do you save it?
Okay, so this is a dashboard we work. So here we have an option called file. So here save. I'm just saving this as a Netflix dashboard. Choose the path you want to save and just give save. So the file got saved. And if you want to export this in PDF, we have an export option here. So export to PDF. So here it got exported into PDF.
Okay, sure, thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions?
Okay, so thank you, Miss Bhuvaneshwari, for your wonderful session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so the last part, no, that chat will be interact to another chats. It's
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So
Yes.
I hope this session is very useful to all the people here. So I'm expecting a lot more sessions in the upcoming days.
Okay.
Thanks for the guidance today. It's very useful.
Sure.
Thank you.
And Miss, you will share with us the video, right?
Yeah. Later I will.
Okay, thank you so much.
No worry. Okay. Yes. So thank you so much, everybody, for patient listening. I know your mentality for a weekend class. Okay. Even I also having little worry about sitting for weekend class. And then Okay, coming to the end of the session. Okay, thank you everybody to present here, and then thank you our HRD corporate, our Ministry of Government to given us such a wonderful opportunity. So you know the people who we are, we know who you are. You are okay. So this is a very helpful this one, and then one more thing. Don't think about this session is ended today. Okay, even sometimes for example the time being only we go for a little basic level, because when I ask the poll, no, actually Miss Bhuvaneshwari target for last that visual part only, that is the most interactive, creating dashboard, interactive dashboard. But the survey uh, tell us you are the basic. Okay, when compared that others, okay, some people advanced learners, some people middle learners. So we focus for that from a basic level. For that only the session will be go like that. Okay. Now you can somewhat idea about how we are going to using the Power BI, right? Yes, everybody, you have the basic idea, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes.
And then coming to this Power BI, okay. So our organization, we given a lot of training session like Power BI, Python, Data Science Association, digital marketing, and then security, computer security, artificial intelligence. Nowadays, artificial intelligence is a more researchable topic. Okay, so we are looking for that artificial intelligence for coming days. Okay, coming back here. Okay, this my Power BI, no, this is a Microsoft product. Okay, even if you want to extend this class means I will share that survey form to you. Please respond. Okay, if you really wants to have a extended course. Okay, so there is a payable and then free course are also available. So if you want to become a Microsoft certified Power BI trainer means you can go for a Microsoft website. There is a yes, some of the students asking about that that is guidelines tutorials. Okay, you go the Microsoft learning path, you can able to see the models and then content which is posted in the Microsoft learning path. Okay, wait, let me share my screen. Okay, for please everybody wait. Wait, let Power BI Microsoft Learn. See, if I type here, so it automatically diverted to Microsoft website. Please wait. Still loading. Learn Microsoft. Okay, so if we go for Learn Microsoft, so training. See, okay, let me share the link to everybody. So this is actual Microsoft product. Okay, so just I go for in Microsoft all the kind of software. There is a learning separate portal they created, and then they can freely available for any users. Okay, so just you go and go for a just a basic information and all is there. Okay, so these are the different kind of models which is having in different category: artificial intelligence, Azure fundamentals and that. Okay, let me go with search. Where it is? Okay, Power BI. And then Microsoft, they can announce us this month is a virtual day month. You can go for a register for virtual day and then go with the learn any programs. Okay, even they can offer for 50% for a that is exam fees deduction as well. Okay, so let me go for training for Power BI. If we go for training for Power BI, see the page which will be so basic overview and then information. See, these are the models. Discover data analysis, get started building for with the Power BI. If we go for get started means the model will be coming one by one. See the models. If we go for learning means go for click start menu, start command button, go for learn. At the end, there is a that is a ability checker portion also which is available. They can have the some of the quiz question. You can go for a answer the quick quiz question and then able to know. So this is a learning part. Okay, so some students asking about can you please share the tutorial? This is a online tutorial which is uploaded for a Microsoft. Go for learn. If you want to really go forward means. Okay, so these are the first model. They can having 7 unit. At the end of the unit, you can have the assessment. Okay, let me go back here. I will show to you. Okay. And then one more thing, if you want to get a Microsoft Power BI certification means please contact us. So we provide for free training and then giving for guidelines, sending the sample questions and all. But the price, no, I think the price is $165. If you're ready to pay the amount for Microsoft means, please contact us. We guide you for getting certification. Okay. And then one more thing, we plan for a like proposal, sending the proposal for a government side. If the proposal get means the government send granted means we able to give that a free training as well as able to get the Microsoft certification as well. At the moment we couldn't able to get any grant, so for that only I tell you. Okay, if you ready to pay the that is go and search how much pay certification exam fees. If you ready to pay means we help you to guide for a pass. Okay, coming here, let me go for training for Power BI. So get started. Okay, so here at the end, see check your knowledge. If we click check your knowledge, there is a question which is available. You can go for answer the question, and then you can able to see your answer. That is a result as well. Okay, so this is a learning path like that. Okay, so one more. Yes, I already told you, no, Microsoft Virtual Day. Okay, so just you go for browser and then type Microsoft Virtual Day. Virtual Day trainings. Okay, so if we go means, see the virtual training days, free technical skills is available. Lot of courses they can offer for a free. You can go for a learn the course. At the end, you can able to register for that course as well as there is a Microsoft experts. They teach that virtually for these courses. You register the course, go for attend the course. If you attend the course means they can give for 50% voucher for exam fees deduction. Once you get the voucher, go for apply for a Microsoft certification. Okay, go for attending the examination. Once you pass the examination, you get the professional certificate. Usually it will be happen for during a mid that is a night time only, because there is a UK, no. So here 12 PM means that 12 AM. Okay, so it's still loading. Okay, see, I want to register a virtual course for Microsoft. Just go for register. See, these are the virtual courses they can given. See, for example, I want to learn generic AI fundamental. See, the dates. So 6th August, the timings 12 PM. Okay, so go for register this course. If we click register, So you can, if the course is available, means there is a limitation seat only they can have. If it is open, means you can go for register. Similar, LinkedIn also they can provided for the virtual day. You can go for a login LinkedIn and then go for register and then go for free course. Okay, see, so you can just you can fill up your information at the end. You can register, means email notification is coming to your registered email. Once the notification they approve ready, means so here you can go for attend the training. The person which is coming from Microsoft, they can teach, like they can teach us Microsoft Teams only. Okay, once the training done, they can give 50% of exam fees voucher. From fee exam voucher, you can go for attend the exam. Okay, so even we guide the people for getting artificial intelligence, Microsoft AI 900 certification as well as. If we go for a really, okay, do one thing. Okay, go with the register any one of that one. Go for register training, virtual training, and then register any fundamental. For example, okay, wait, virtual day. Okay. So let me check whether it is available or not.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt.
Okay.
I'm just heading to another work. I'm
Okay.
dropping off.
Thank you, Miss Bhuvneshwari. Thank you for your wonderful session. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye. Take care.
ma'am. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Okay. So everybody, please register this course. There is a Azure fundamental. This one. Please register this one. This is coming August 12 p.m. Okay. So this is a artificial intelligence fundamental course. Okay. So just to go for register first. Otherwise, you can go for a, see any one of you interested, means go and register. Power BI, they won't offer for Power BI here, but artificial intelligence, even you can register for this artificial intelligence, generic artificial intelligence as well. Okay, so you register first. Once you get the email, that is approval email, go for attend the training. Once you attend the training, they give for a 50%, that is a exam fees discount voucher. From this 15%, you can go for a apply. I think the $99 they charge for this course. Okay. So even MTech also they can given for 50% of voucher. Okay. Once you attend and then get the 50% of voucher and then contact us, we guide you. Okay. Yes, this is a way. Similar, LinkedIn also, they can provide virtual day celebration. They provide all the free courses. Go for register the course and then learn the course. You can get the certificate from LinkedIn as well. Okay. So coming back our one. Yes. You want to know about, okay. So once you done this course, okay. Yes. Next question. Have you all fill up the attendance form? Yes. If you yes means please type 1. Have you all? Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay. Now I tell you how to generate your that is a NTW certificate. Okay. So please wait. Let me open. Okay, just go for your dashboard. Once you go to the dashboard, okay, wait, let me open. So go with the applied course. It's loading. Okay, please wait. Okay, everybody go to your dashboard and then log in with your credential.